Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to record WhatsApp calls. If you are using WhatsApp and now you want to record your WhatsApp calls, so let's see how can you do this. Just open the WhatsApp and here just have on three doors to open WhatsApp settings, and here you can see there is no any option in WhatsApp to record your WhatsApp calls, but I'm going to record my WhatsApp calls. So let's see how. You just have to open Play Store and install a third party app. Just go for search and search for app called recorder. You just have to search for this, and here just open the first app. You just have to install this app. Just tap on install and it will be installed on your phone. You just have to wait for its installation. After the installation, just tap on open to open the app and just make a simple setup. Just tap on open and the app will be opened in your phone. Here you just have to go for next, and here just make a simple setup just like that. Just grant some permissions. Here select while using the app and allow, then enable service. You just have to look for installed apps, and here just look for app called recorder and enable it, then select allow. You can easily get a simple shortcut here. So after that, just go back and here's the shortcut. Just tap on it and you will easily get app called recorder shortcut. You must have to enable the settings, and here just enable the setting more. Here just look for app called recorder, enable this, then select allow, and after that just go back, and here you can exclude app or you can set skip it. Just tap on skip. I'm going to skip it here just enable your location, just select while using the app, and here just tap on three dots, go for settings, select audio source, and here you just have to select voice call, and after that you have to make sure that you have enabled this one. Now whenever you will make a call, your call will be recorded. Just open WhatsApp and here just select the contact with which you want to make a call, just like that. So here your call will start recording. You'll get a notification here. So that's how you can easily record your WhatsApp calls. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.